Hi. Let's talk about something called the rubber band model. The rubber band model is really about dealing with the dilemmas. We from time to time encounter a situation when we don't really know what side to take or what direction to choose. And sometimes it's really about the questions that we are asking ourselves. We try to usually ask ourselves the questions like, what are the pros and cons? What are the advantages or disadvantages? But the issue with such questions is that one of the sides always seems like the negative side. It's like one thing is con, one thing is disadvantage. So instead of asking ourselves these questions and sort of putting us under the stress, why don't we use a different model? The rubber band model is actually all about asking two simple questions. Ask yourself, what is holding you? And ask yourself, what is pulling you? So what is holding you to certain alternative? Or what is pulling you to another alternative? Much more positively stated questions. What is holding you and what is pulling you? Good luck.